Where are you going? Turn back around.
Okay, Chica. Take your printer and see the color printer work.
You see him. What you doing, buddy? There you are. Here I am. Hi. Hi. You're turning into quite a little bouncer. Yay. You do this all the time, no matter where you are now, huh? Mama lets you stand on her belly, you bounce. We're on the train with you standing on my lap, you bounce. We sit you on pillows on the bed, you still bounce, but your feet go in the air. Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo! Good times. Johnny Jump Up Olympics.